Romjaka TSF ni adongsong Roman script Sanlai thani koktama shukuru boyangkha tini Kokborok deni tinini o salbelai no nangkukmani tipra sarok ni bagi o Kokborok de salnaruk sawino MLA Rampoda Jamatia bai Otol Depormani Tudilmani bai kaisa Agartala doliwo himbotok khlailei palailei tonglaimani phia o jorawano TSF ni bukhaktei bo Kokborok Roman script na sani tonglaimani jorawo Dadak Sidak anglaimani bai TSF ni adongrokno Romkha police tabuk doli belaino tungflajak halok
Sanlai tolai kan tabuk. Asing aja kita sudah sungai botol orang orang mana script sabut kayak borok. Ada lewat sangai itu macam yang bangsa kasut kau lagi macam.
Baru Roman script sasan. Roman script sasan. Roman script. Kamu lagi putar project bang. Agom buskan asas agom. Noro Roman script sasan. Kayak nongkar orang tak protes kayak kamu noro apa hewan su. Roman script. We are placing our demand. We are sending a clear message to the government that we, the Tiprasa, will never keep silent on the issues of our rights. Therefore, we are sending clear message to the government. It's a clear message that we will not keep quiet, even though they try to force us.
Do you think politics is going on around the college?
For us, it is not politics, but for them, it is politics. Why? They have only framed it as political. No, but it is not politics. They must be very clear. It is a matter of the future of the indigenous people.
It's a matter of existence.
Yes, it's a matter of existence. It's a matter of our collective voice. It's a matter of our collective will. Therefore, it's a matter of
Chini mani Kokborok. Obono chini yareng tai chini langma. Okok baise chini chini mong. Tini chini serai rok chini okok ni chati no tui beskango kasai tongo. Chini o bede ketal rok chini kok no warna ni tai chini Kokborok ni mong no gerak te kaham khaina ni engbai thung. Tini sini kokborok salo jeng TTADC ni enggai chini kokborok no teibo kujuk kasari uitlangnani semai tango. Jeng joto hamjago.
Kokborok